Want to learn the easiest way to create gorgeous, seamless floral patterns in Illustrator? In this video, I show you how I make them step by step using my favorite tool, the Blob Brush. First, grab the line segment tool and draw a diamond shape inside your artboard. This diamond will guide where most of our pattern elements go. Now switch to the Blob Brush tool. If you double-click it, you'll open its settings. Here you can adjust the smoothing to your liking, and if you're using a drawing tablet, you can set pressure sensitivity so your line thickness changes depending on how much pressure you apply. I start by sketching out the flowers and leaves I want to include and where I want to place them. Now I lower the opacity of that sketch layer. Create a new layer and redraw everything cleanly with the blob brush. At this point, I also start adding color. Remember, you can draw in the front or in the back depending on whether you want an element to sit on top or behind another. Next, make a rectangle the same size as your artboard to use as the background. Send it to the back and play around with background colors and your floral colors until you're happy with the look. Now it's time to build the seamless tile. Copy your design 4 times onto a new artboard, placing one in each corner. To make this super precise, go to View, Rulers, Show Rulers, and switch to Artboard Rulers. Then calculate half the width of your artboard and use those values for the X and Y positions. After that, fill in the empty space in the middle. You can draw new elements or copy, paste, and resize the ones you already have. Add any extra details you think it needs. Once the space is filled, create another square the same size as your artboard. Bring it to the front, select everything, right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask. To crop away any extra parts outside the artboard, go to the Pathfinder and select Crop. Now your tile is ready to turn into a seamless pattern. Go to Object, Pattern, Make, choose Grid and click Done. Your pattern will now show up in the Swatches panel, and you can apply it to any shape. If you want to adjust the scale of the pattern, right-click, go to Transform, Scale, and in the window that pops up, uncheck Transform Objects, but check Transform Patterns. Then set the percentage to whatever size you like. That's it, you've got a clean, seamless floral pattern made with the blob brush in Illustrator. Have fun experimenting with different flowers, colors, and layouts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tips.